To the construction of iconic UAE projects, along with the design and implementation of fall protection solutions across the Middle East, India, Asia, and China. He currently serves as Divisional Technical Manager and Lead Structural Engineer at Key Safety LLC, a global leader in fall protection systems. He is also an active member of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers UAE chapter and Society of Engineers UAE. Congratulations, Engineer Ryan Mark G. Mael.
Congratulations, Engineer Natalie B. Marshall. Engineer Natalie B. Marshall is a highly experienced QA/QC engineer with 19 years of proven expertise in the construction and manufacturing sectors, specializing in quality assurance and quality control for large-scale multidisciplinary projects. She has played a key role in the successful delivery of iconic developments including schools, malls, tunnels, and railway systems across Qatar and the UAE. Currently serving as a senior QA/QC engineer at Fireworks Construction LLC, she continues to uphold the highest standards of quality and compliance in construction practices. She is also an active member of the Philippine Institute of the Civil Engineers UAE chapter. She holds a prestigious certifications as an ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence and a Certified Quality Management System Auditor Lead Auditor, underscoring her leadership in quality systems and continuous improvement. Congratulations, Engineer Natalie B. Marshall.
Congratulations, Engineer Jovins V. Molbog. Engineer Jovins is an accomplished engineer and professional with over 18 years of extensive experience in the construction industry, specializing in quantity surveying, project and cost management, and procurement. His career spans a wide range of sectors, including buildings, infrastructures, mining, marine, oil and gas, and nuclear energy. He currently serves as a senior quantity surveyor at KN International Architects and Engineers LLC, where he is actively involved in water distribution projects for an A distribution company, a subsidiary of TAQA Distribution in Aden, Abu Dhabi, UAE. A licensed engineer and a committed professional, he is an active member of the PICE UAE, PICQS, and ASEM, continuing to contribute to the advancement of civil engineering profession. Congratulations, Engineer Jovins V. Molbog.
Congratulations, Engineer Lorena P. Navarro. Engineer Lorena P. Navarro is a proactive and performance-focused engineering professional with over 25 years of experience in material engineering, quality control, quality assurance, standardization, accreditation, certification, assessment, and auditing. As a member of the PIC UAE chapter, she believes that the potential of engineering is limitless and success lies in understanding one's competence and applying it across diverse contexts. By combining engineering principles, technical proficiency, entrepreneurial leadership, and system standardization, she founded IPS Certification Services, driving organizational excellence, ensuring material integrity and safety, and upholding engineering reliability across construction and infrastructure projects. Congratulations, Engineer Lorena P. Navarro.
Congratulations, Engineer Micah M. Papasi. Engineer Micah is a skilled geotechnical engineer with 7 years of experience across the Philippines and Australia, successfully delivering a wide range of technically challenging projects. Her expertise includes the design of levees and bridges, as well as forensic investigation of field ground surfaces and major road networks in suburban Victoria and New South Wales. She is passionate about continuous learning and actively mentors junior engineers, fostering broad and knowledge sharing within her teams. Her technical foundation is further strengthened by Master of Engineering Science specialized in structural engineering from Swinburne University of Technology, Australia. Currently employed as a civil geotechnical engineer and regional coordinator at Geoporting Pty Ltd, a member of Engineers Australia and Australian Geomechanics Society, as well as an active member of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers UAE chapter and an acting secretary of the group that is petitioning for PICE Australia chapter. Congratulations, Engineer Micah M. Papasi.
Congratulations, Engineer Mary Grace F. Paredes. Engineer Mary Grace F. Paredes is a dedicated civil engineer specializing in quantity surveying with over 9 years of experience in cost management, contract administration, and project execution. Her career includes 6 years in the Philippines and over 3 years in the UAE, where she has developed a strong capability in delivering cost-effective and value-driven construction solutions. At 30, she is recognized for her perseverance, commitment, and strong work ethic, qualities that have earned her respect within the industry. She is currently employed as a quantity surveyor at KN International Architects and Engineers LLC, and is an active member of both the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers UAE chapter and the Philippine Institute of Certified Quantity Surveyors Inc. PICQs. Congratulations, Engineer Mary Grace F. Paredes.
Congratulations, Engineer Marcelino B. Pareño. Engineer Marcelino is a dedicated and results-driven engineering professional with over 30 years of extensive experience in the construction industry. He has successfully led and delivered large-scale, high-value projects across diverse sectors, including residential and commercial developments in the United Arab Emirates. Renowned for consistently delivering complex projects to the highest standards, he brings proven expertise in managing challenging assignments with precision, efficiency, and commitment to excellence. He is currently employed as a civil inspector at Overmayer Middle East GmbH and is an active member of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers UAE chapter. Congratulations, Engineer Marcelino B. Pareño.
Congratulations, Engineer Marites G. Sanchez. Engineer Marites G. Sanchez is a highly accomplished and detail-oriented civil engineer with 22 years of dynamic experience in the construction industry, specializing in quality, health, safety, and environmental as integrated management systems. With over 13 years of professional practice in the United Arab Emirates, Engineer Marites has contributed to the successful supervision and delivery of landmark infrastructures such as Dubai Metro and building projects across residential, commercial, industrial, and mixed-use developments. Currently employed as Senior 2 HSE Engineer at Naga Architects and Engineers and Designers and Planners, playing a key role in management, construction supervision, ISO compliance, and continuous improvement initiatives. She is an accredited ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 lead auditor, and an active specialist member of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, both in UAE and Philippines. Congratulations, Engineer Marites G. Sanchez.
Congratulations, Engineer DK.
Graduate na kami! Woo!
As the appointed head of Campus Services Section, Engineer DK has played a pivotal role in delivering managing innovative transportation solutions across the Emirate Ras Al Khaimah under the government of Ras Al Khaimah